Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be quite a bit different from what I normally talk about on this channel. So I'm sure that many of you have heard of what the Supreme Court did in overturning Roe v Wade this past week. So usually, usually I don't talk about politics on this channel, but this one, this one nudged me into discussing this. So, so over the course of my life, my views on abortion have changed. So, they've changed, but they've changed minimally, and I'd say. I mean, when I was way younger, I used to be completely against abortion. Then about probably 10 years ago or so, I I started to learn that complications can occur during pregnancy that can jeopardize the life of the birthing mother. And uh, and to this day, I do not wish to take away that healthcare to those who need it. There's no point in jeopardizing two lives when you can for sure save one. And the more and more I learn about complications that can arise during a pregnancy, is the more accepting I am towards using abortion as a legit as a so life-saving healthcare. And I do also believe that if someone was raped and conceived, then she should also, or then the victim of the rape should also be given access to abortion because well, she's carrying a baby that she quite frankly didn't want, most likely. Oh, I can't say that I'm fully behind abortion. Despite all these so known ailments that can arise during pregnancy, and I still don't completely support abortion because well, I don't think it is justified for for anyone to terminate another human life outside of the instances of self-defense and self-preservation. The issues that I still have with abortion would be when, say, someone who doesn't want kids or who changes her mind throughout or during a pregnancy and consensually it has sex with someone when it and conceives it and then decides that she wants an abortion. In my mind, it's not morally correct to terminate another human life outside of instances of self-defense and self-preservation. Now, if you want to do whatever you want to your body to ensure that you can't have kids, whether you get whether you get a vasectomy, a tubal ligation, and take all the birth controls that you can, like if you want to make whatever modifications to your own body to ensure that you can't have kids, go right ahead. It doesn't bother me one bit. The moment that you bring another life into the equation, which begins at implantation, that drastically changes the landscape. It drastically changes the scope. It drastically changes the conversation that we're having. But you're making modifications to your own body to ensure that you can't have children. And like, say if you're getting a vasectomy or a tubular litigation, that's only directly impacting you. But if you're getting an abortion, then you're not the only one that's being directly impacted by that decision. I mean, the mother is being impacted, and the child's being impacted, and the father's being impacted. Brings me into my next point, which is father is or which is the impact that abortion has or can have on fathers. In this day and age, we tend to view abortion as an issue that only impacts women. I mean, the fetus is in the woman's body, and it's causing complications for her. It can't possibly have implications on anybody else, or at least that's just what the public mindset tends to portray abortion as. What a lot of people tend to forget is babies or children, including fetuses, are are the flesh and blood of the mother and the father. You know, that baby is just as much of the father as it is the mother. And admittedly, one thing I do fear is good, loving fathers could lose their healthy children to a mother who simply changed her mind on abortion, or who changed her mind on having a child, I should say. And because the child would be, or the child is equal parts the mother as it is the father, I don't think that abortion should, or the decision for abortion should be strictly up to the woman in all cases. Now, that being said, I also don't necessarily think that fathers should pressure sure the mothers into to either keeping or aborting the child. I think that decisions like this would be better if they were mutual and consensual decisions between between the mother and father. That way, everyone is on the same page, and you're not pressured to to either keep or abort, and no one's being stripped of their parental right. Uh, all right, that's gonna do it for this video. Oh boy, this was a massive change in healthcare and the political landscape, with the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade. Yeah, so this video is pretty different from what I normally do. I mean, I normally do a lot more social commentary than I do political commentary. Video did kind of blend the two social and political comedy or commentary to get together. Comedy. Yeah. Yeah, this video is not meant to be comedic. So, thank you all so much for watching. If you liked this video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, share this video, share all my videos. I'm gonna do my absolute best to get back on more social commentary. I mean, tomorrow there should be a decision on Browns quarterback Deshaun Watson. And probably gonna make a video about that because that has quite a bit of social impact. And also, if you didn't know, I'm a big sports fan. Also, if you're a sports fan as well, subscribe to my podcast channel that I do with my friend Ty. And we do it every week, or at least we try to do it every week. That channel's linked down below. Subscribe over there as well. Catch y'all next time. Bye.